I want to run the 5200 BTU White Westinghouse for a little while, because I haven't really made many videos of this in the window, just that video that I made when I put it in a couple days ago, and I didn't let it run for that long. I want the compressor to get a chance to quiet down so you can see how this thing really sounds and how quiet it is. I'm going to run the Kenmore 5450 BTU as well. Alright, this will definitely start because it's pretty warm up here. Let's just start off on high, I guess. I'll let that run for a while. I'm going to go start up the other one. And here's the Kenmore. Turn it on high as well. This Kenmore is from 1995. The White Westinghouse version is from 1994. And I'll turn the Quiet Cool on just because I want to. It definitely vibrates these windows a little bit, but let that run for a while. This one's been running for a little bit now. The compressor is pretty much quieted down. It's very quiet. Sorry for the focus. You can maybe hear there's a little bit of a vibration coming from over here, but that's not the compressor. And that's still on high. Let's go down to medium and low. Can't believe how quiet this thing is on low. I hardly even hear it. And here's the Kenmore. It's on high right now. Go down to medium and low. Very quiet. The sound of this compressor becomes a little bit more noticeable over time, whereas compared to the other one, the compressor gets quieter. This has a Sanyo compressor and the other one has an LG compressor. Still an incredibly quiet unit. And here is the Quiet Cool, still running. I turned it up to high speed, started it off on low. It's blowing nice and cold. And I love the way this unit looks on the outside with that Kool case and the big Emerson Quiet Cool logo on the outside of it. This air conditioner is in a lot better shape than it was when I got it. Somebody really did not take care of it before I had it. These are very high quality units. They're built well. They have great components. Usually Sanyo and LG compressors, which are both great. GE fan motors, which is what this one has. Or that White Westinghouse has an A.O. Smith branded fan motor, which is made in the USA. And I don't know if A.O. Smith made it themselves or if it's a rebranded Westinghouse, but either way, it's a high quality USA made motor. And that Holmes 5200 BTU that I have from 1996, that one has an LG compressor and a Macmillan fan motor in it. So very high quality components in these WCI units. Here's the White Westinghouse again. Blowing nice cold air. It's pretty warm up here right now. And if this is your first time seeing this air conditioner on my channel, it has a Matsushita compressor and it originally had a Westinghouse fan motor. I put a General Electric fan motor in it from another unit that was damaged because the original motor in this had bearing issues. This one runs nice and smooth. It'll be interesting to see how cool this air conditioner keeps this room when it's really hot outside this summer. Last year I had that 5000 BTU Kenmore with the wood grain front in here, and that kind of struggled to keep up in this room. This is an upstairs room. It gets pretty hot in here. It kept it tolerable, but I'm sure this one will do a little bit better. That 5K BTU I just mentioned is actually installed in the downstairs bedroom now, and it does just fine down there. I'll run it through the speeds one more time. It's low. Oops, I thought I was turning that down, but I guess I just turned it off. And there's the Holmes that I was talking about. It's 5200 BTU, just like that White Westinghouse. Same compressor. It's an LG compressor, but it has the Macmillan fan motor rather than that A.O. Smith motor. And there's another White Westinghouse. That one's a 5000 BTU. That one's newer. It's from 2001. That Holmes is from 1996. And that one down there has an LG compressor as well, and a General Electric fan motor.